Oh, this just got interesting.
All right, it's morning. Got something a little bit different for you today. We're headed over onto the east side of the state, over by Escalante. Headed down the Hole in the Rock Road. There's a bus that is broke down over there. Apparently they can't get anybody to come and get them on the dirt road. So we gotta go hook onto that bus with the tow truck, drag them back to the pavement where somebody can haul them and get them fixed up. So me and Landon are going. It's a Sunday morning, skipping church today, and we're headed to help this guy out. So gonna be a 2.5 hour drive and then a 30-minute drive on the dirt. So should be entertaining. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't even really know. I've got a picture. This is the big problem. He has 0 cell service where he is. He borrowed somebody's cell phone that had a little bit of service, got hold of us. I never talked to him. My mom talked to him, got some information. I don't know if this thing is air brakes. I don't know a whole bunch of stuff about this bus, and we can't get hold of him again. I have a pin. He said he was in Peekaboo, which is 10 minutes from me, but he's not. The pin shows him in Escalante, so wild goose chase this morning. We'll see how this pans out. I plumbed him into my Onx. I know where he's at, I think. I know where the pin came from, so we'll see if we can find him. All right, Land got her loaded up. We got everything fueled. He'll strap it down real quick. I'll get all the last minute stuff we need, which I don't really know what we need other than some directions on Onx. That'll get us there. And then we'll go see if we can drag a bus out. So, should be entertaining. Well, should be exciting. I don't know how entertaining it's gonna be, but we're gonna give her a rip. All right, let's go, Lando. 2.5 hour car ride, then a 1/2 hour dirt road ride. So, let's go see what happens. All right, we just decided we would load this up on Onx. This black line right here, that little dot's us. We gotta go to there, and then it says it's off of the Big Hollow Springs Road, off the Hole in the Rock Road. We have a while. Boom. All right, there we go. We'll follow the yellow, well, the little black line, not the yellow brick road. I know how to get to Escalante, so we'll go there and then we'll see if we can find him. All right, we're just rolling into Escahoopy, or better known as Escalante. We got us some water. We're gonna head on out here to the trailhead and unload and see if we can go find a bus. All right, this is where we started. That's where we are. That's where we have to go still. So we're getting there, slowly but surely. When you see those signs. All right, let's roll. See if we can get there. So we got the Onx up on the screen. We're gonna chase that black line until we find what we're looking for. Hopefully it's an ugly old bus. We'll head home with it. Road for like 20 minutes. I feel like I'm getting closer to where we need to be. The mark's coming up. Oh, look at that land. We can see the end of that thing right there. So it means we're getting closer to where he's at. So I'm hoping, in all honesty, I'm not towing this bus out of here. I'm hoping we make it start and he drives this thing out of here. It's going to be a long tow for this thing.
bus anywhere.
I am not.
Oh, this just got interesting. Well, we're past the mark. I don't know where to even look for this guy. It's a white bus.
White bus. Looks like that. That surely wasn't it at that pullout back there, was it?
That doesn't look like a bus, does it?
That looks like a van.
That's just a van.
I don't think it was. It didn't look like a bus. He's at one of those little pull-out things somewhere. Okay, it's probably that one that was on the left, all the way up in there.
We're gonna go check it. Let's see.
That's kind of looking like a bus.
Yeah, that's it. That's it for sure.
Yeah, that's definitely a bus.
That's definitely a bus. We found it. Alright, so we came back on the road a little ways and his pin was off. We have found him. We're going to whip into the parking lot and see what we can do with this thing.
We got to interrupt this video for just a second because we're super excited to show you guys something. We have a new item in our store. Check it out.
We've got welding gloves. These are the TIG style gloves. They're not super insulated, but you can still move your fingers and feel what you're doing. We also have our logo on it.
Well used already?
Yeah, I've been breaking them in. And then we have just normal work gloves.
Branded Fab Rats stuff on that.
Yep. So we only have a limited supply of these, so if you're interested, don't wait too long or you won't get some.
And along with the gloves, I know a lot of you guys love to go camping and stuff during the summer, so it's perfect to get you a hoodie. We got heavyweight, regular weight, our original shirts, and of course, all of our hats. So go to thefabrats.com and get you some Fab Rats swag.
I wonder if you drove it to there. I don't know, we'll get the story, I guess. Figure it out here. Well, we have arrived. Let's see what this is. What's the scoop here? Did it just shut off and die? Or?
It's, well, I mean, we shut it down like normal.
Okay.
And they went hiking, and when they came back, it's crank up. So like everything works. Turn it on, buzz, whistle.
Yep.
Wait to start. All this stuff goes off, and you turn it.
Nothing happens.
Nothing. There's a click, but I don't think it's not like a click, like a starter click, like a.
Yeah.
And you know, if this is my old '79 Ford, we'd be having this conversation.
Exactly.
Nothing like that.
Well, we're gonna try to make it run
That'd be
before
awesome.
we tow it.
Awesome. And I'll tell you, I don't think it's the like safety neutral, neutral safety switch.
Yeah.
That's what. But you've seen something do that before.
Oh yeah,
like
for
if
sure.
if it's in reverse.
Yep. Is this air brakes or?
No, it's electric.
Okay.
I mean hydraulic.
All right. Well, let's see if we can figure it. I think the other side. Got it. All right. Let's see if we can make this thing happen.
A little bit of smoke. It seemed like a poof of smoke came up from right here at the top. But I don't, right where that fuse is.
Yep. And then nothing.
And then nothing. I had another fuse for the solar stuff.
Yep.
I set it on there. I don't know if I can get a good connection, but and I felt it clicking in there. So like it's getting juice, and the solenoid over there is getting juice because I tried to cross over it.
And it wouldn't cross?
It wouldn't cross now. So I don't know.
All right. Well. Sweet. I don't see anything. Terribly wrong right off the bat. Yeah, it'd be way funner to drive it out than pull it out.
Oh yeah, because it wasn't that much fun driving then.
I'll bet it wasn't. I'll bet that was a slow trip.
It was like 15 miles an hour at the top.
Oh yeah.
5 most of the time.
Yeah, that's a nice slow journey. Not the greatest looking.
But it,
The solenoid doesn't
Yeah, I know,
look
yeah.
fast.
I thought maybe, but I mean, if you cross over them, it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, we're gonna give it a whirl here. Let's
It's
see.
straight road stuff.
Nothing super obvious that fell off or anything crazy. jump the starter over. Alright, so there's a possibility we drive this out instead of tow it, which is better. Screwdriver I don't like the best. Alright, if you want to go ahead and turn the key on, sure. Make sure she's in park or neutral or whatever, doesn't run me over.
Yes, sir.
Hippies use side door. I like that. So did you build it?
No, we got it halfway, like 3/4. And
Okay.
we finished the outside.
All right. I'm gonna climb under and jump the starter over, see if it'll fire. I can get to it. Come on. Get to it from there.
Gotta go somewhere else.
I gotta try to get in here. I can't get on the lug that I need to be on. Can't see it. Can't really see it from there either. There's that one. Alright. Alright. That's kind of a greasy mess down in there. Sacrificed screwdriver. He's a little shorter than it once was.
Heck yeah, what'd you do?
The solenoid on the starter.
Okay.
So I believe you've got problems with starter. I would shut it off.
I'm not going.
Yeah, don't shut it off. But she needs a starter.
Okay. All right.
So it didn't want to crank. It melded the starter pretty hard, but then it finally rolled over like it's stuck.
Yeah.
So I think you're going to be good to go. That's way better than towing that out of here.
No doubt. I can't thank you enough.
Yeah, no
You
problem.
guys are awesome.
No one else will come out here, huh?
No. And that's what I was like, why is the desert not full of just dead cars? Because I know I'm not the only one.
Oh no, no, people. This road's terrible out here.
Yeah, I know.
How did you guys go clear the hole in the rock?
Yeah. No. We just stopped here.
Stop here. Yeah, it gets worse.
Yeah, I'm not going there.
All right, well, that turned out easier than I thought. So we just jumped the starter over. The starter's bad on it. It melted into my screwdriver off. It drug hard. So he's fired up and he's gonna get out of here. We're gonna do the same thing and go home. So wasn't pretty easy. It wasn't terrible. I don't want to drag that bus out of here. That thing's gonna be heavy. So let's go home, man.
I agree.
Let's do it. He's rolling, so are we. We're out of here. Good deal. If you guys ever want to come for a pretty cool drive, the Grand Escalante staircase is pretty awesome. So, Holden Off-Road. Got a whole bunch of Mormon history. They crossed the Colorado River out here from Holden Rock. They blasted it, built a trail down through, came out the other side. So, pretty cool if you ever want to come and see some cool country. This is it. Alright, we made it. Truck's right there. We're gonna load up, grab us some lunch, and go home.
That there looks pretty good.
All right, we got that bus. That was better than I imagined. Just being able to start that thing and drive it out saved us so much time and effort. So if you guys are interested in some Onx, go ahead and use Fab Rats 20 and get you some. It's a pretty good peace of mind to know that you'll be able to send a pin to somebody and they can find you. You can find all your way around the trails. Pretty handy unit. We use it all the time.
We do.
So thanks for watching.